What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen won't turn on issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. So restarting your phone can fix small glitches in your phone. So after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then the next solution is reset all settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then here again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after this, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is factory data reset. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down to the end and click on factory data reset. Now here scroll down to the end and click on reset option again. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset your mobile back to factory default, and it will delete everything from your mobile, including your Google account, setting, downloaded apps, music, pictures and everything. So if you are sure, then you can tap on reset, otherwise you can go back to your home screen. So that's how you can fix the screen won't turn on issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.